Welcome viewers, welcome to ITV Gold. My name is AJ Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Sai CPA Services. Today we have Shamla, our senior accountant, with us to talk about why we believe government is not going to extend the PUA benefit. Why we believe the unemployment benefit are going to expire in early September.
Mr. Kumar, please share the information about tax refunds on unemployment benefits.
Government has given out more than $10 billion in unemployment benefit. And this unemployment benefit, Shamla, used to be taxable. You get the unemployment benefit, you pay the tax on the unemployment benefit. Now, under the new rule, up to $10,200 of the unemployment benefit is not taxable either. So, government is losing a lot of money, but that's not the rationale here. What we are thinking, what we are debating here is why we believe government is not going to extend the unemployment benefits any further. Right now, the unemployment rate is high, extremely high. It has never been this high. And part of the reason why we believe the unemployment rate is high, because a lot of people are getting the PUA benefit on top of the unemployment by sitting at home, by not doing anything. And the best part, this money is not taxable to you. So you get $300 in PUA. PUA stands for Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. You get $300 a week on top of the unemployment. So if your unemployment benefit is say $600 a week, now you are getting $600 plus $300 every week. So you're, on a monthly basis, you are getting $4,000 and you don't have to pay tax on this thing. So a lot of people who are getting $15, $16, under $20 an hour, they are making more money by sitting at home than by actually working. This is pushing the unemployment rate high, it's pushing a lot of small businesses out of business. It's very hard to find qualified workers, very hard to find people to do the job, only because people do not want to work. People are sitting at home, making more money. So all these reasons, not just the money that the government is paying, the struggle that we see in the industry for the small business, the additional money, the PUA, which is not taxable, all these reasons combined together, we believe that the government is not going to be extending the PUA benefit, the unemployment benefit, the additional benefit, which is tax-free, going further after September. Right now, it's scheduled to expire in early September, Shamla.
Mr. Kumar, can you tell us what you will advise people to do for such unemployment?
A lot of people are relying on this money. They're getting the unemployment, they're getting the PUA, and that's how they're surviving. And it's not a good news for a lot of people if you were to tell them that this is going to expire. You will not be getting the PUA or you will not be getting the unemployment. So that all the more reason, Shamla, that we, everybody together, we need to start planning today. We still have a lot of time before the benefit will expire. So if you start searching for a job now, hopefully in next few weeks you will find something. There are a lot of wanted signs. There are a lot of people who are looking for a job. So do yourself a favor. Go out of your way, try to search a job beforehand. After the expiration of the unemployment benefit, the job market will be full of people. There will be a lot of supply and not as much demand. Right now there is a lot of demand. People are looking for, small businesses are looking for people. There are a lot of need, there is a lot of wanted sign, but it wouldn't be there forever. So plan now, knowing what we know. Based on that, try to search for a job sooner than later, so you are ahead of the curve. So you are not out of luck. You don't find yourself that unemployment is not coming, PUA is not coming, and the job market is tight. Nobody is hiring because everybody has already hired. So the plan is to go out of your way and try to find a job beforehand, before the unemployment benefit expires.
Can you please summarize on this topic?
Based on what we know, unemployment benefits have been extended few times. They are going to expire depending on COVID situation. So we are expecting the government not to extend the government benefits, the unemployment benefit. We are expecting PUA to expire. A lot of people are relying on this money, relying on this cash to have the PUA, Pandemic unemployment assistance to come through. A lot of people are relying on this unemployment benefit to be there. You owe it to yourself to be proactive, to take a step now, go out of your way to find a job before these benefits expire, so you're not out of luck. After September, once these benefits expire, a lot of people will be searching for job. At that time, it will be harder for people to find the job because there will be a lot of supply. So please do your research, find out on the websites, find out on the government websites, see if you can do a job, if not the job that you were doing earlier, maybe limited hours, but please try finding a job so you don't find yourself out of luck when the unemployment benefit expires. I thank you very much. Again, my name is AJ Kumar. I'm an accountant, a CPA at Sai CPA Services.